Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelsey and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this super cute reversible beach bag. So really quickly, a few things about this pattern is that it comes from Malin and Friend on Etsy, or Malin and Friend, I'm not entirely sure, but I really love this pattern because it is just so easy. It's very beginner friendly. It's very affordable as well, so I think it's a great beginner project. And yeah, I just think it's perfect for summer or spring, perfect for the beach, a picnic, really just anything. kind of show you up close how to do this step of the bag, because when I did it the first time, it was really confusing, honestly, and so it probably doesn't make sense unless I can show you. So I have both of the pieces, the exterior and the interior, that are the wrong side is facing out, and you connect, like lay them right sides together and clip them, and you just go around the curve. I don't know if that makes sense, but basically it will look like both of these will be outside, and they're connected by the straps, and they're all right sides facing. And then once you've connected it all, then you'll turn it out through this hole that we left, and then we'll just sew that up, and that will be the bag. Finished sewing all around that whole thing. It looks really messed up and not right, but we're gonna take this little hole that we left and put your hand through and I grabbed the straps, it doesn't really matter, but just pull through the hole and you're gonna start to see the exterior part coming out. And just gonna make sure you poke out the corners of your straps as well. This looks so cute, I'm excited. Okay, so the last step, this is the interior of mine with the little pocket that I made. But the very last step you're gonna do is take this hole and you're gonna kind of fold the edges over like that and line them up, and then just sew right across this line to just close that hole. You can hand stitch it, but I'm not very good at hand stitching and it's a lot faster to just do it on the sewing machine, so that's what I'm gonna do. I also forgot to mention really quick that I personally like to iron these parts, like these little folds. I just like to iron it and then clip it, and I just kind of ironed this whole lining piece because I think it just makes it look really crisp and nice. So the very last thing that we're going to do is just take the interior and put it inside of our exterior. So just open that up and then push it inside. Make sure you push out all the corners as best you can. And then this bag is designed to tie at the tops of the straps, which I think is super cute. So I just do like a loose kind of little knot at the top. And I kind of like that look because since I use kind of like a accent color, it kind of shows, and I don't know, I think it looks cute. So that is the finished bag. I think it's super cute. It's just perfect for summer. I love this fabric. I love the style. I love the size. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. This is my first official video of me talking and kind of introducing myself. So yeah, let me know in the comments if there's any videos you want me to make or any tutorials you want to see. I would love to make a video. So thanks for watching. Bye.